This video is going to show you how to do the problems out of your math book on page 64. Okay, so here's what you see. I want to direct your attention first to the relevant vocabulary, just as a refresher. I want you to read through that. Remember, adjacent angles, those are angles that share a same side. So that means they're right next to each other. So these two angles right here, this angle and this angle, they're adjacent. See how they share the same side right there, that common ray and that common vertex? They're adjacent, they're next to each other, okay? Vertical angles, they're two angles that are vertically across from each other. And their sides form two pairs of opposite rays. So in English, an example, it looks like this. Okay, boom and boom, those are vertical to each other, okay? And boom, those two are vertical to each other, all right? Vertical angles, the special thing about them that I really always want you to remember is that vertical angles are always congruent. They're always congruent. That means they're going to be the same size, same shape, same angle measure, okay? Angles on a line. The sum of the measures of adjacent angles on a line is 180 degrees. Angles on a line equal 180 degrees when you add them all together, okay? Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. Please remember that, alrighty? Okay, now to the example. The ratio of the measurement of angle GFH to measurement of angle EFH is 2 to 3. In a complete sentence, describe the angle relationships in the diagram. So GFH, let's see, GFH, oh, okay, they already have the ratio already for you, 2 to 3. So this one is 2 to 3, 2x, and then this one's 3x, okay, because that's their ratio. And we got to describe the angle relationships represented in this diagram. So I see that this big old angle right here, GFE, that's 90 degrees. So that means that this angle and this angle, they're going to be complementary to each other because complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So what you need to say is the two angles in the diagram, and what I'm talking about is GFH and what's the other one? EFH are complementary because they add up to 90 degrees. Okay. All right, find the measure of those two angles. So when you look at them, you're like, oh darn, there's a variable in there. That means I can't just write it down because you have to do some work to figure out what that angle measure is. But luckily you know that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and write down your equation. So 2x plus 3x. When you add them together, it's supposed to equal 90 degrees because they're complementary. Okay, now you just simplify and then build it. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. Bring down your equal sign and your 90. Now just build it. Start with x, and then you just multiplied it by 5. So the inverse operation multiplying by 5 is to divide by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x is 1x, or x, same thing. 90 divided by 5 is 18. Okay, you're not done. You definitely have to go in and substitute that variable in with the 18. So this guy right there, it says 2 times 18 will give you this angle measure. So 2 times 18, that's 36 degrees, okay? And then when I take that and I take that 18 and I substitute it in for the other side, okay, I got to go 3 times x. Well, x was 18, so I got to go 3 times 18, and that's 54. So this angle right here is 54 degrees, okay? And just to double check, do 36 plus 54, does that equal 90? Because it's supposed to, and if not, we messed up. Okay, we're good. So yeah, that's correct. But be obvious, okay? The measurement of angle GFH is equal to 36 degrees. Don't get them mixed up. The measurement of angle EFH is equal to 54 degrees. Okay? Oops, I forgot to put an equal. All right, there you are. Bye.